Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm so happy to see you again. I will explain to you the trade of the yesterday, which is 16 of June 2025. As you can see on weekly time frame, there is a swing high and also of the weeks before and the swing low of the previous week. On daily time frame, you can see that the price is going up, okay, and make a sweep to the swing high of the weekly. When you look for on daily time frame, you can see how the price moving up and the trend line. You can see this trend line is moving up, and when the price moving up, the price reach the swing high of the week and then retrace to this area. As you can see, there is an fair value gap. Here is daily fair value gap, and this is a target daily. This is daily fair value gap, and this is will be a target from the swing high to the daily fair value gap. When we go to the lower time frame, you can see that there is also a fair value area. This is a fair value area associated with fair value gap on H4. This is H4 fair value gap, which is swept by this candle, which is swept by this candle and making an rejection block previously, and you can see that this is the should be swept also, and also there is a, an order block. This is order block, okay, and this is fair value area, and this is fair value gap, and this is the daily time frame. You can see it, which will be the target of the price from the weekly swing high to the daily time frame. When we enter the market, we are on the New York session in this area, New York session. When the price moving down to this daily time frame, and this is H4 time frame, you can see it. This is H4. You can see it, H4 fvg. When we look for this trend, you can see that the price on when the price opening on Monday, uh, the price make on Asian session and London session two um, fair value gap on H4. This is one, and then follow by another fair value gap also, which is the second one on H4. That means the price is continuing towards the daily fair value gap. On H2, also there is a fair value gap here, and also there is a fair value gap here. You can see it, but the H4 is more potent. This is fair value gap here, and also you can see on H2 that the price is pushed here to sweep this area, and then the red candle swept this blue candle. You can see how the price swept this area. We are in a New York session here. We are in a New York session here. We don't know if the price is continued to the daily fair value gap, or it will reverse up, or it will reverse up and making another. But my opinion, you can see on H4 there is a rejection here when the price swept the weekly swing point. This is a rejection point, and make fair value gap 1, fair value gap 2, and reach this area. That means the price is continuing. You should take in consideration that the price is continuing to the daily fair value gap, not stopped in H4 fair value gap, because the daily fair value gap is more potent than H4 fair value gap. When we change to H2, you can see that how the price swapped this H2 fair value gap and H4 fair value gap by blue candle, and then the red candle swapped the blue candle. When we change to H1, also we can see fair value gap, also fair value gap. That means the price is continuing, and make also change in the state of delivery. You can see how the price make multiple change in the state of delivery. The first change in the state of delivery, this is first change in the state of delivery. The second change of the state of delivery, this one also on H4, change in the state of delivery. So there is a rejection, fair value gap on H4, change in the state of delivery, and the price reach in the New York session. On H1, on H1, there is multiple change in the state of delivery. This change in the state of delivery here, and this change in the state of delivery, and this is also change in the state of delivery. Sweep, rejection, fair value gap, and also change in the state of delivery. This is also should be regarded market structure shifts. We are here in New York session. We are here. We when we see all these features and see that there is a daily fair value gap below, hovering below, we decided to enter in this area and targeting the sweep of the this area, targeting this area only, not follow the price to continue lower. Okay, and when we change on 30 minutes, we take this profit, this candle profit. We see that the price is making an accumulation in this area, and this accumulation you can see is making that the price there is multiple liquidity here, on a long liquidity here on 30 minutes you can see it, and also there is a fair value gap here, and this fair value gap is also behind it there is a liquidity also in this area. You can see it on the top. Okay, and the price pushed up by and making fair value gap, and then swept these liquidity, reaching the fair value gap on H4 and H2. This is H4 fair value gap, and this is H2 fair value gap, and H1, and then pushing it down and making small fair value gap, reaching this area, and then become the price become trying to move down, and at a time moving rapidly down to the 3,408, and I take my profit, and the price rejected again, and then pushing again downward. But I'm out of the market. I make the profit from this area to this area only. Okay, we can see how the price move. We can see how the liquidity, how the price move, and you can see this rejection. This is fair value gap. This fair value gap up, and this fair value gap down, which we look we see that inverted fair value gap and this fair value gap, and sometimes we say about this it is sharp turn in this area. Also on 5 minutes, we can see it very well how the price move in this area: accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. This is accumulation, this is manipulation, and then distribution. On 1 minute, also we can see how the price move, how the price move. We can see this is accumulation, this is manipulation, and then I take this only this take it only this, but the price return rejected and then moving down again, but I am outside of the market and take my profit. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm so happy to see you. Thank you. Bye bye.